How to fix Cricket wireless data not working after payment. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply restart device and reset your network settings. You can simply power off your phone for about 1 minute, and then what you're going to do is simply turn that on, right? So after doing that, simply go to your settings in order to reset your network settings. After getting to your settings, from here simply get to your general. Then from here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down. You can see transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on that one, tap on reset, and then you can see reset network settings. Tap on that one, then enter the passcode of your phone, and after doing that, tap on reset network settings. And then after doing that, you can tap on reset network settings. Finally, you'll be able to reset all of your network settings, and after doing that, make sure to check out the application, and I'm pretty sure that it is working. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then make sure that ensure access point name settings match the Cricket defaults. And lastly, if all of these still not helping, then you can try to contact their customer service. So for that, you can simply get that number online very easily, or you can chat with their built-in AI assistant too. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.